If you're trying to figure out how to keep records for business loans and grants, this is your fast no fluff guide. Most people mess this up and end up scrambling when it's time to show proof of how funds were used, but I'll walk you through how to do it right, and I'll show you the exact method I use with software that makes the process almost automatic. If you stick around till the end, I'll explain the biggest mistake that disqualifies people from future grants and how to avoid it. Alright, first, create a dedicated bank account just for your business funds. Never mix personal and business expenses. This is non-negotiable. Lenders and grant providers want to see clear separation. If you only do one thing from this video, let it be this. Next, every time you receive funds, whether it's a loan or a grant, record the date, the source, the exact amount, and the purpose of the funding. Do this in real time, not days later when you've already forgotten. I recommend logging it manually in a spreadsheet, or better yet, inside the software we'll be using, which auto-organizes this for you. Now, when you spend any part of that money, you need to track how it was used. Was it for payroll, equipment, marketing? Always categorize your expenses. Save every receipt and invoice and tag them. With our software, it'll auto-sync with your business account and tag each expense so it's audit ready. Also, label every document clearly, something like May 2025, grant expense, website redesign. Make it dummy proof. If someone else had to verify your records, could they understand what the expense was for without asking questions? That's the test. Create monthly summaries. At the end of each month, total how much of the loan or grant you've spent, what's left, and what it went toward. If you're using the software in the description, this step is one click. But even if you're doing it manually, it's worth it. These summaries come in handy when applying for more grants or proving fund use to lenders. If the grant or loan has any specific conditions, like must be used for payroll, you absolutely need to flag and group those transactions separately. You can even create a custom tag inside our software to track those uses precisely. Quick note, back up everything. Cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox is fine, but double check you have copies of everything. Statements, receipts, contracts, reports in one place. No exceptions. And finally, keep records for at least 5 to 7 years. Some funding programs may request documentation long after the funds are spent. Now, the key takeaway. If you want to keep getting approved for business loans and grants, you need to treat your record keeping like it's part of the job. Sloppy records equal missed opportunities. To recap, open a separate bank account, log all incoming funds, track every expense with categories and receipts, create monthly summaries, highlight conditional uses, back everything up, and keep it organized for years. If you follow this structure, you're not just compliant, you're funding ready for anything that comes your way. And if you want to follow along and make this 10x easier, I've linked an exclusive free trial to the software I personally use in the description. It's only available to viewers of my channel, 10 Thorn, so make sure to take advantage of that. Thanks for watching and go get that funding.